Hi everyone, welcome. So in this video we will discuss about landing page, like what is landing page. We will discuss the complete factors like how the landing page works and what is the difference between the landing page and the website in the upcoming videos. So firstly we will discuss about what is landing page. A landing page is a standalone web page, like this is the standalone web page. Only the one web page is there. There will be no multiple kind of the web page. Crafted for marketing or advertising campaign, its primary goal to redirect visitors towards a specific actions such as signing up, purchasing or downloading something. Unlike other web pages, it is designed with minimal distraction and a clear call to action to boost conversion. Like what the definition says, suppose if you go to the website of any website, if you go, so there will be multiple distraction will be there, like homepage, about, courses, events and contact us. So there are the 5 pages. So if user come to the digitaljourney.in, so the user can also navigate to the about us page. User can also navigate to course page, events page, contact us. So if we are promoting particular services or particular courses, then it will be very difficult, it will be very hard to pitch the single product or services. So basically if the user come on digitaljourney.in, so user can go on any pages, like they can go on about courses. So we have to remove the distraction, like if the user can see only the page, like if we are selling only one course, okay, if we are selling only Google My Business course, so we have to show the complete information about the Google My Business course only instead of any other. Okay. So this is the main benefit of the landing page, like it will remove the distraction. And landing page is created because we have to boost the conversion. Like if the people come only the page, like in that we are selling the digital marketing, okay, digital marketing course, so the user will focus only to purchasing the digital marketing course instead of going to the contact us page, about us page. So on one single page we have to just give all information, like the first 3 banner, and after that some about us content, after that services, after that telling about our product or services, after that some bonus, contact us form will be there after that. So in this way we have to create the landing page, and this will be for the specific action will be there, like you sign up, like the user can sign up for the events, webinar, otherwise you're purchasing some documents, you're purchasing some products, purchasing shoes, this kind of things, you're downloading the ebook for free. Okay. So landing page is a standalone web page crafted for marketing or advertising campaign. Its main purpose, like for the specific action such as sign up, purchasing or downloading something. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.